This Remax of Hot Springs Village property video is presented by Sherman. Move-in ready. Enjoy the open floor plan of this cozy home with large windows in the living room to bring in natural light. The hall with storage cabinets will come in handy, as will the carport storage/workshop. Notice the convenient pull-out shelving drawers in the kitchen cabinets. They make retrieving items from the lower cabinets a breeze. You can also enjoy the screen deck off of the kitchen/dining area. Owner says deer frequently come to visit the area. Agents, please see remarks. For more information, review the details below or contact Sherman at 501-922-8277.